Time for weekend meal prep. I start off with 2 of the 4.5 pounds of 93% ground beef. Place in a crock pot and add a lot of water. Every hour I come in and chop it up. Otherwise it will turn into one big meatloaf. An hour later I'm breaking it up again. I especially focused along the edges down on the bottom. But you can see the water helps keep it from burning and sticking. And after another hour, I come and stir it again. You can see it's starting to brown and the water's turning kind of brownish pink. I cook it on low and I do not season it until the morning or the evening as I'm preparing it. So that way I can decide what kind of flavor I want it to have for the day. That's the color and texture I like it. So now I'm going to divide it up in 7-ounce servings for the week. That's how it looks on my scale and in the bowl. It's not 100% well. It's a little more on medium rare. But the reason why is I nuke it for 2 minutes before I eat it. Final product. Those 8, I can add something like raw cabbage to. But I'll keep it separate so I can nuke my meat to make it warm. I have 3 things of broth and I have 9 small containers. All of the meat is 7 ounces. And then, like I said, the 3 broth you can use for yourself or pour over your dog's food.